Namaste friends, welcome back to Bhanabalaji Center for True Learning. In this video, we talk about some other important type of gene interaction from the genetic chapter, that is codominance. As the name indicate, co means both. Both the alleles are going to dominate a character, express themselves independently in the F1 hybrid. Codominance is an allelic gene interaction. Allelic gene interaction. Both alleles of a character are dominant and express independently in F1 hybrid. So as we know that a character is controlled by two alleles. So a gene has two alternative forms. They are called alleles. So they may be in homozygous condition or heterozygous condition or recessive condition. So here there are two alleles equally dominant and express themselves in the F1 hybrid, that is called codominance. If we see the dominance, F1 hybrid, F1 generation in the dominance resembles either of the two parents. It was proved in monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross of the Mendel experiments. In case of incomplete dominance, F1 hybrid was intermediary. So it is between father and mother. So when we crossed the 4 o'clock plant, that is Mirabilis jalapa, so we got the pink color flowered plants. So when the red color flowered plant crossed with the white color flowered plant, in the F1 generation, the flower of color is pink. The pink color is the intermediate between red and white color. So in this case, in case of incomplete dominance, the characters are blended. In case of codominance, F1 hybrid resembles both the parents, because no allele is dominant, no allele is recessive. Both alleles equally dominant and express the character independently. We can see the two characters in the F1 progenies. So it is so important thing. So we have to remember. So it is better to understand this concept by taking a few examples. The popular example, so we can give here, is ABO blood group system in human beings. Now I mention few examples for codominance. Number 1, ABO blood group system in humans. The another example is coat color in short horn cattle. The third example is MN blood group in humans. These are three important examples we can give for codominance. Now, I would like to explain this example and this example in this video. Right. ABO blood group system. Generally, the gene control the blood groups in human beings present on the chromosome number 9. On the chromosome 9, the gene controlling the ABO blood groups is present. Here we can represent the gene as I, capital I. We can represent the gene as capital I. This I gene has 3 alleles, right? So this gene has 3 alleles. The one allele is denoted by A. The second allele is denoted by B. The another allele is denoted by O or just with small I. Actually, so till now, so what we know is a gene contains 2 alleles, but in the ABO blood group, single gene contain 3 alleles, more than 2 alleles, A, B and I. Right. Here, A and B alleles are dominant over the I. So how can we write it as? So IA is equals to IB. These 2 alleles are equally dominant and express their character, but these 2 alleles are dominant over the gene I. Gene I. Next, this IA allele produces certain sugar polymer on the red blood cell. IB allele also produce certain sugar polymer on the IBC. Then I allele does not produce any sugar polymers. So we can say simply as antigens, right? So IA allele produces antigen A. So IB allele produces antigen B. It doesn't produces no antigens, no sugar polymers, right? Here these two A and B sugar polymers are slightly different. So let us see so how these antigens are present in the RBC. This is the red blood cell. This is also a red blood cell. We can observe some protrusions on the red blood cells. They form the plasma membrane. These are called antigens A. So on this red blood cell also some protrusions are there. They are called antigen B. They form the plasma membrane. This is the RBC. This is the RBC. Right. So when antigen A and antigen B, I mean the allele A and allele B fuse together, the blood group AB will be formed. In case of the progeny, both A and B express the characters, means the RBC has 2 antigens on the same RBC. This is the RBC. For example, this is the father RBC, this is the mother RBC. So this is the F1 hybrid. So on this, so we can observe the presence of both the antigen. These are antigens A. These are antigens B. This becomes AB blood group. This becomes AB blood. Right. So one more point already we know. ABO blood groups are observed by Corland Steiner. Right. So here in the ABO system, humans are categorized into four types. One is A blood group persons, second one B blood group persons, third one AB blood group persons, and finally fourth category O blood group persons. So let me check it with let's check the phenotype ratio by taking an example here. Same example, AB blood group. So before that I would like to give you the different combinations, right? Different combinations of three alleles. What are three alleles? The gene is I. This has three alleles, IA, then IB, then IO. How many? So different combinations are possible through these three alleles. So let us draw the table first. In first column we take parent number 1, in second column parent number 2, in the third column genotype of offsprings, in fourth column type of blood group in the offspring. In first column, so I take parent 1, so we can treat it as male. In second column parent number 2, so regard it as female. Then in third column phenotype of offspring, then blood group or blood type of offspring. Right. So first we write alleles, possible alleles here. From parent one side, from male, IA, IB, IO. From parent 2, from female, IA, IB, IO, IA, IB, IO, then just IO. So these are the possibilities of a pair of alleles get from both the parents. So let us look at the phenotype. So what is the phenotype of first offspring? IA, so IA. So cross them. Next again, second offspring genotype is IA, IB. The third offspring genotype is IA, IO. Fourth offspring genotype becomes IB, then IA. The fourth offspring genotype will be IB, IB. The fifth one's offspring's genotype is phenotype is genotype is IB, IO. Sorry, here write genotype, not genotype. Next, last offspring's genotype is IO, then IO. Then what is the blood type? So when So when both the alleles are homozygous, the blood group will be A. So when male and female contribute the same allele, that is A, the blood group in the offspring is A. So here second offspring belongs to AB blood group, because both the alleles AB are present. These two are equally dominant and express their characters. So both the alleles are present. Both the antigens, antigen A and antigen B are present on the RBC of this offspring. Next, third offspring blood type is A, only A, because so IO allele is in recessive. It is recessive because A and B are dominant over the O. It doesn't express anything. IO doesn't express anything. So blood group become A. At fourth offspring's blood group again AB, because both A and B alleles are present. So fifth offspring's blood group is B, because both the alleles are B. In this offspring blood group becomes B, because O is present, which is not expressive. Then both, so I0 are in recessive condition, so blood group become O. So these are the different combinations of the three alleles A, B and O in the human beings. Right. Next, perform the hybridization experiment with AB blood group. So it is just for check the phenotype ratio in the codominance condition, so which is similar or deviated from the Mendelian phenotype ratio. First I take parents A blood group person crossed with the B blood group person. So both are in homozygous condition. IA, two alleles are present. In this parent, alleles are IB, then IB, right? Pollination, fertilization, cross fertilization. The offsprings become IA and IB. The offsprings have AB blood group. So when A blood group person married B blood group person, offsprings in the F1 generations are AB blood group offsprings. Next, go for crossing between F1 generation IA IB into IA IB. So if you want to write the gametes, you can write two types of gametes produced by this one. 50% have IA allele, the 50% gametes have IB allele. So here also same case. 50% of gametes have A allele, 50% of gametes have B allele. Then go for crossing. So this gamete have possibility to cross with this one. This gamete also have chance to feed with this gamete. This gamete has chance to feed with this gamete. So it also has a chance to feed with this gamete. The offspring so becomes like this: IA, then IA, IB, then again IA, IB, finally IB, IB. Right. IA is blood group A, right? Blood group A. IA, AB blood group. Offspring have AB blood group. This offspring also same have the AB blood group. This offspring has a B blood group. So what is the phenotype ratio we received here? So here I am writing a phenotype ratio in codominance. 1 A blood group person, 1:2. 2 offsprings having AB blood group, right? 2. Then only one offspring has B. So, right? Just 1. So 1:1 is the phenotype ratio in the codominance. It is actually deviated from the Mendelian phenotype ratio, that is 3:1, right? 3:1 is the Mendelian phenotype ratio, so we saw in the monohybrid cross. So it is completely deviated from this phenotype ratio, right? So let me give you one more example. So by taking the coat color in the right, coat color in a short horn cattle. Here is the parent generation. Parents, red color haired cattle is one. So another one is so white color hair parent is one. Their genotype is here capital R. Here is smaller. So gametes, all the gametes containing capital R alleles. Here all the gametes containing small r alleles. So when cross pollination is done, the offsprings produced are in heterozygous condition, that is R and R. So these offsprings are in roan color. This F1 generation hybrid express both the colors, both the characters. So this organism has both red and so white color on their body. The coat color in the F1 hybrid is in roan. I mean, so both red and white colors can be seen on the animal body. Then go for the selfing. So RR into RR. So directly, so I make cross here. R, this R and this R. Then small r and capital R. So again smaller and smaller. Right. So RR parent type, red color hair. Then this is the smaller, not capital R. This is the small r. This is the roan color. This one also in roan color. The fourth offspring is also parental type, that is white. So what is the phenotype ratio in this example? So again 1:2, 2:1. This ratio also deviated from the Mendelian ratio, that is 3:1. So it is about the codominance. Thank you for watching.